Let's assume an equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 having roots alpha and beta. We know that alpha is equals to minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and beta is equals to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now if we have to sum up the roots, that is if we have to do alpha plus beta, then alpha plus beta is equals to minus b plus under root d divided by 2a plus minus b minus under root d divided by 2a, which is equals to minus 2b, we can cancel d from d, divided by 2a, that is minus b by a. So from here we get that the sum of the roots is minus b by a. That is alpha plus beta is always going to be minus b by a of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Let's take an example. If we are given with the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0, we know that its two roots are 2 comma 3. We know that the sum of these two roots is equal to 5. Now let's try to find out its sum using the formula of the sum of the roots. That is, the sum of the roots is equals to minus b by a. Here b is equals to minus 5, a is equals to 1, and c is equals to 6. So our sum of roots is equals to minus b, that is minus of minus 5 divided by 1, that is 5. Hence our formula is correct. Now if we have to find the product of the roots will be alpha into beta. We get alpha into beta as minus b plus under root d divided by 2a into minus b minus under root d divided by 2a, which on solving further gives us alpha into beta is equals to c by a. So if we take the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0, we know that its two roots are 2 and 3, and the product of their roots is 6, that is equals to c by a. Hence we have verified that our formula is correct. These two formulas are very important and should be memorized. Let's understand this better by solving the next quiz.